Hello everybody. Are you ready for a very quick express core and the ball? Mini ball magic. Who uses a mini ball? And I will list these exercises. I'll list the sequence on my blog. So if you comment FP, then the chat bot will send you a link directly to the page, and I'll add these as soon as I've finished in a second. So you just comment FP and I'll send you the exercises. There we go. So I've just taught, I love this as well. I love using the balls. I've taught this morning using the stability ball, my trusty oldest one, 20 something years old that is, and the mini ball. And we did a fitness Pilates session in my fitness Pilates membership. So if you want to join the membership and get 3 fitness Pilates classes every single week, again, you can comment member and I'll send you the details, and become a founder member. And you also get access to all my walk fit classes as well. Hi everyone. So if I take the ball, you grab your ball. If you're in your pajamas, you can still do it with me this morning. And let me know where you're tuning in from around the world. Leave a comment. Don't be a ghost. Oh, yeah. These are bender balls. I've had these about probably 20 odd years. They're very thick. I've never, ever, touch wood, ever had one burst. I don't know what the other ones, you can get loads of different balls from Amazon, but I really don't know the quality of them. I know these are absolutely bob on quality. And I've used them. I mean, these have had so much use over the years. I really do think they're good, but they're bender balls. Good morning. So shall we do just a few quick combinations and then we can see what you think? Okay, we'll start standing. First one would be pop the ball between your inner thighs and let's get a squeeze like this. So let's start, shoulders down, bring both arms up. Good morning. Open, bring your arms forward and then release it down. Keep a squeeze, take a side bend to the right and to the left. Stabilizing the pelvis, one more. Are you ready? Here we go, lift, both arms to the top. Oh yes, you can order your Christmas outfits. I think today's the last day if you want to order this one from Wild Legs. Good, over. Now we're going to keep a squeeze and we'll take 2 squats. There we go, and then come up. Let's add a squat down for 2. Hold it. Raise onto your tiptoes. That's hard. 2 more. And then come up. And put it together. So we go. Lift for 2 and hold. We open for 2. Bring your arms forward and release it down. Take a side bend to the right and centre left. Go again. All the way and into a squat. Down for 2. Raise your heels. And then come up for 2. And raise your heels. And again. Lift. Hold. We open. Bring your arms forward. Release it down. Take a side bend to the right. And centre left. How's it feel? And if you're teaching today, let me know in the comments, what are you teaching on this Saturday morning? And then come up and then lift. I'm going to add a roll down. Drop the head, neck and shoulders. You touch the floor and roll up. Circle around. And again, roll down. Touch the floor and roll up. Circle all the way over. Now let's take the ball away. We're going to add right arm rotation, ball to the centre. Lift both arms up and the lateral flexion. Lateral flexion and lower down. So the left side. Here we go, rotation. Bring it up. And lift for 2. Right side, left side. And then bring it all the way down. So we have your right arm. Rotation. Bring it up for 2. Good morning. Right lateral, left lateral, and lower down. Just the left side, left, rotation. We are coming up, and then left lateral, right lateral, all the way down. Just one more. You can put all that together. So if you look over the shoulder, you come through to the centre. And then left, and then release down, and then take it left. Here's 1, 2, over the shoulder. Here we go, up to 2, and there you go, left, and then right. And bring everything down. Now, a move you might have tried before, you might not have tried before. You put the ball down on the floor. If you then put your tiptoe on the floor and you've got your heel on the ball, so you're really in a wobbly situation there. Tight, there we go. So I'm just going to stabilise initially with my right foot. Good morning. Wow, Sarah Waller, I've not seen you for ages. How is it going? We're going to lower down and then we're going to come up. Here we go. We're down. Damo. Light to Geneva. I love it. Do you miss teaching? Down for 2 and then come on up. Here we go. Down. I'm trying to read the comments and balance. This is challenging. Down for 2. So try this with your mini ball. So you have your heel on the mini ball. And then add a balance. There we go. So working the ankle, the knee and the hip. Yes. Down for 2. One more. Down, down, and then come on up. Good. Now change to the other side. Just try these if you've got your mini ball handy. Teach them in class. Toe on the floor, heel on the mini ball. Mine's not really hard, the mini ball is, and it's quite a soft one. So get your balance first of all. Is anybody teaching Pilates today? Down 2. There we go, down, down. And then when you're ready, add your lift. Down 2. And lift for 2. Down 2. There we go. Fabulous. Sit down and then come up. Yeah. So if you're a FitPro and you want just a breakdown, this is so simple, but you like to see things written down, just comment FP and I'll send you the link to the blog, and then I'll add these exercises in a second onto it so you can have a look. I think, oh yeah, I can add that if you like to see things written, and I know loads of you do. One more, all the way down, and then come on up. Good. Try those combinations. Pop the ball between. So lift, rotation, rotation. At the squat, the calf raise, come up. Calf raise, take the ball. Rotation right. Arms up. Right lateral. Down. Left lateral. Left rotation. And up. Left. Right. Just speeding it up and down. Ball on the floor. Heel raise and do your balance. That is a great warm-up routine if you're using your mini ball. So let me know. I hope that inspired you, and I hope you enjoyed the Christmas outfit this morning and it inspired you to wear your Christmas outfit. Is it too early? Let me know in the comments. Never too early. Good morning, Wild Legs. Good morning. Good morning, Chantal. Good morning, Joe. Who have I got? Good morning, Kirstine. Nicola Gibbs, good morning. Sarah's here, Susie's here, good morning. Lynn's here. Marie, good morning. Mel, good morning. Gosh, loads of people on the live there. Well done. So if you want the blog and the link to the notes, comment FP. I think, is this the last day that you can get this outfit for Christmas? Is it the last day you can actually get it? I think it is. If so, head over to Wild Legs and use my code RH10 and you'll get a discount from that if you've got any left. I don't know if she's got any left. And if you want to join my Fitness Pilates membership and do 3 classes a week with me online, then just comment member and I'll send you all the details. Pre-order ends today. Wow. Good morning. Do you like that squat lift? Eileen, let me know. Hope you do. It's really fun. Really good to do, and it's going to increase your balance, improve your balance, ankle, knee and hip strength. Okay guys, I look forward to seeing your comments, and hopefully some of you will come and join me to do Fitness Pilates 3 times a week with me at home. That'd be great. Alright gang, have a lovely, lovely Saturday. Big kiss from me. Hey, Vicky Dunbar. That's a love. And if you're on the replay, still comment because my bot will send you the link automatically as if by magic. All right, everyone. Have a lovely day. Enjoy your Saturday and I'll see you soon.